this on there. This is gonna be the top back. Is it? It's the cutest. Hi, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, it's good to see you. Thank you for being here. My hair is short. I cut it off last week, but in this video, you're gonna see that I still have long hair. It was filmed last week, and then I decided to do the intro this week, and this is just what happens. So please bear with me through all these transitions. We had a lot going on upstairs last week. Replaced the ceiling fan with a new ceiling fan. We reupholstered the headboard. I put up the gallery wall of all my landscapes that I absolutely love. I adore them. They're my favorite things ever. It's probably one of my favorite collections. Added the seat I'm at and the curtains you see behind me. Everything was starting to come together in here. So hope you enjoy coming along with me as we finish this room up, hopefully in the next couple weeks. Thank you. Since the last time you saw me, we mounted the TV up there, put the dresser back in here, and right now we are changing out the ceiling fan, the old ceiling fan to the new ceiling fan. Very old-fashioned, has, you know, which kind of can back and style for people, but it's not for me. What do you think about putting up a ceiling fan, Michael?
I didn't like this one.
Yeah, this was difficult to put up, honestly. It was lots of steps. We turn off the lights so you can see the... It's nice. It's small. It has 3 small blades, but it was a beast to put up. I am laying everything out for the landscape gallery wall that I've had. I'm just changing a few things up. I think it looks okay. I need 2 frames for these, so I definitely need to get that. And we're just going to put that up right where it was before. There. But if you're looking at it, which it's a mess, oh my gosh. When you're looking at it from out there, it's going to look like a continuation from the stairs. It's going to, I think, be very cool. But, so let's get this put up. This on there. This is going to be the top back. Is it? It's the cutest. It's from Anthropology. Like, actually pretty heavy, but isn't he so cute? Look. Love him. This is what it looks like. Hi. the next day. So we got this up here and I don't like it here. So I'm going to switch it from over here to this side of the wall and leave this blank and let there be some space to breathe. So, and this will help include everything as you're looking around. That's the wall it's going on. I like it over here a lot better. I think this is a larger wall than that one, and there's already a gallery wall on that side, so it gives a little breathing room because the alcove is also going to have a bunch of art in it. But I think this looks better here. Here's where we are with this right now. It is snowing outside, so it's making everything really bright. But put the curtains up. I brought this leopard chair that has the cutest details. Love that. And this little tray that will fold up for if somebody wants to get up and have coffee in the morning. But here's how it's looking so far. And see, that's where I just think it needs breathing room, so I think I'm gonna leave that blank. And then headboard still has not been redone. And I have this art here. This is all still a mess, but I have this hanging up here, and I want to do some little art maybe. I don't know. I'm not for sure what I'm going to do there. We thought we had enough wood to do a bookshelf here, but we don't. So more than likely, I'm just going to try to find a bookshelf that will go to there, to this edge, and over. That might be the best option for us because we're trying not to spend too much money. And wood prices are outrageous right now. Hi. It's really bright and sunny out, so but I got these packages I wanted to show y'all. This is the bed skirt that I hope will work upstairs. It will get the job done. It's a good color. It's like an oatmeal linen color. This is what I'm excited about. See what this is going to look like. So this is the fabric for the headboard. Love it. Let's see. Guys, look. Oh my gosh, I love it. Isn't that beautiful? Has a little bit of a texture on it. Because this fabric is not quite wide enough. To do it in 2 sections. So now I'm going to have to match the seam. So what I can do, because I don't need very much more, I'm only liking like that much. So to make it look right though, I'm going to have to put the seam like here. Yeah. And put the seam on the corners. Let's try it. Let's see what we can do. have it done. Now it just needs to be installed up there. One more step down. And I put in the bed skirt, but you know, it's all wrinkled and everything right now, so I need time to flatten out. Here we go. And this is the bottom, so, you know, don't look too closely. But I think it looks really good. I like it. Well, that looks fantastic. I wish the light was better so you can see it a little better, but this looks fantastic. Now the bed is made. I got the comforter, which is actually very lovely. I got it from TJ Maxx. It's from Bed Theory. I've not used them, I don't think, before, but it is extremely soft. Everything else, I just used what I had. Been trying to keep costs down. And it looks great. I mean, the headboard to me looks fantastic. I'm not sure about the green pillows on here yet, but for now I'm just going to leave it and see how I feel when I come back. The only thing left to do in this room now is if I'm going to do the bookshelf, do that. Look for a highboy style dresser, if I can find that, and try to reupholster one of the chairs. And from that it should be just accessorizing a little bit and it should be done. But I love it. It's very comfortable. We had our first guest up here since we have changed things, and he was quite comfortable, so even in a pink room he didn't mind it. There's things that are just going to take time, and you know, that's part of the enjoyment to me. Is if I had all the money, I could have everything all at once, but now I get to look for things over time, and I get to enjoy the process, find things from different areas that all will go together in style, and I'm very excited about that. I hope you've enjoyed this week's vlog, and I will be back next Friday, hopefully with a reveal. Oh, and I'm cutting my hair. I've decided I don't like it this length, which it's super winter here right now, so static, the air is super dry, my hair is super staticky, and I can't hardly get it to do anything, but I'm tired of it. I like it shorter, so I'm cutting it off in a couple days, and I'm glad. I need to. But, and I'm on the 3rd week of my 90 days of this medicine I'm taking, and cutting out gluten and sugar and dairy. Dairy I only have to cut out for 3 weeks, but I am already feeling so good, guys. Like, my energy's back. I feel so, my inflammation, my hands don't hurt right now, that's incredible. My hands hurt almost all the time. The things that just feeling, just honestly just sitting and breathing, I feel better than what I have been, because it's been so uncomfortable. So that's going good. You know, I can have natural sugars. I can have maple, honey, and coconut palm sugar, I believe is what it's called. And my sister-in-law found some dairy-free, gluten-free, dairy-free. What's the other one? Oh, processed sugar-free, so it only has maple syrup, I think, in it. Cookies. They have really saved me from going off the deep end. They are so stinking good. I'll put the link to the recipe below. They're fantastic. Like, she said even the batter was good. It's, my husband says it kind of tastes like an oatmeal cookie to him. No oatmeal. There is oatmeal. No raisins. He thought it tasted like an oatmeal raisin cookie. It didn't to me. It just tasted like an oatmeal cookie, which it was. She's supposed to make me more this week, so, and she gives me one a day, portions them out so I don't eat them all at once. Because, sometimes you just want a cookie. And if they're there, I don't have much willpower to say no, so we are going to fight that. I think that is all, guys. I'll talk to you in a little bit.